kera munini wa gavana kaunti ya Kisii Robert MONDA nombeta kwithirwa akeberwa gitine ni mbunge ya Senate ni untubo utumiri buthu kubwa obisi yawe arari na maitia jana ja utumiri buthu kubwa obisi ara maitia jonthe zarombera kwithirwa jakirikithwa na wingi wa kura. MONDA nandi niwe munini wa gavana wa mbere kwithirwa akiuma rukwani Senate kuma kaunti chirambirwa mwakene jwa 2013.
JAREA, take your seat, please. Now, honorable senators, the result of the vote on the impeachment motion on Dr. Robert MONDA, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, is as follows. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. The ayes, 39. The nays, 3. Abstention, 1. So the ayes have it. Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes, 39. Nays, 3. Abstention, 1. Again, the ayes have it. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. The ayes, 35. Nays, 7. Abstention, 1. The ayes have it. Charge number 4, crimes under national law. The ayes are 32. Nays at 10, abstention at 1. So ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all the members of the Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy Governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable senators, the result of the divisions indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment charges. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act, and the Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert MONDA, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and the Deputy Governor therefore ceases to hold office forthwith. I thank you. You may, Sergeant at Arms, you may now proceed to withdraw the bar and open the doors. And honorable senators, kindly be upstanding.